Okay, today we will discuss about the chromatography. I think after 6 years, I came for teaching you related to the HPLC. So HPLC is high performance liquid chromatography, and one more thing we have to learn is UPLC, ultra performance liquid chromatography. See, more pressure is there in the in the column. So first we'll say that column is the heart of the this HPLC. So heart means without a heart nothing will work. So same way if you don't have a column nothing will have happen. So analytical, when you see the background analytical related, what happened is earlier they seen the for separation for the molecules only, like they are using for the separation, and then it becomes a for analytical tool also, a best analytical tool. If you see a UV cuvette, keeping cuvette blank, these things are not will not work for a long period of time. So HPLC and UPLC became a key things for the pharmaceutical industry. And then one more thing you have to keep in your mind is LCMS. So these things will not be that much used frequently in the industry, but this will be used for the any impurity related things. Okay, why am I telling about the this industry means so anyone who is academic is totally different to industry. So academic and industry, like suppose you are from a academic person, then you will develop things which for literature. Those technology will be developed by pharmaceutical industry to make this suppose for instance for this academic to a industrial and commercial. So this might be possible for some formulation, that might be not possible some formulation, and that might take more time for doing this. So in innovation things, what are the things HPLC we are talking or UPLC we are talking? So in HPLC is the earlier one which having a 5 micron is a particle size inside that column, and UPLC like 1 to 2 micron, which is lesser size, and less size of columns, more pressure will be there more separation also will be there, less time will be consumed. So these are advancements of the column. So you are asking for me to explain these things, there are a lot of things which are you have to learn it. So what I now I'm giving in a brief explanation about how the HPLC and UPLC, what are the things of basic things you have to learn. And one more thing is this iso normal I suppose normal methods, like if you fix that whatever the proportion of your gradient method, isocratic method, what I'm saying is gradient method, in that fix you in isocratic method, suppose it means same it will be, suppose mobile phase 50% of AC means 50% of water, that will be done for whole entire your samples, but not samples entire for one single sample. But gradient means it will change the proportions of solvents, it will make more uh, uh, efficient way you can select suppose what I can say is here, suppose you take gradient method, you can get a peak around suppose 2 minutes, so 2 minutes not good, suppose 4 minutes, but if you do isocratic method it might be 6 minutes, so you can reduce runtime by gradient, and also peak shape will be it will sharp in gradient method. So people try to use gradient method, and some people usually use to isocratic method. So these things are there. So and columns, if you select I said earlier in video. So one more thing we have to learn is detectors. PDA detector is for UV as well as visible region, and one more thing is for normal this is less sensitive compared to only UV. So it will be like UV means 200 to 400, most of the molecules will be 200 to 400 only nanometers. It is more sensitive compared to the remaining things. LCMS is, we know, that is more advanced and more costly also. Industry will never use for normal analysis process because it will put more cost into the production, and simple HPLC will be used, and HPLC is the most efficient way of separation of molecules. And for CVA generation means you have to generate a CVA before releasing the batch, for that it is helpful. So I given this brief video, I think you people are liking it. Please like and subscribe, because everybody will say that might be that is good for me. That is only support I am going to get, and I'm going to keep these videos keep on future also. That will be helpful for the viewers. And as an industry, I will help you with so many things. What are the going on things, like how we have to get into industry, how we have to learn in industry compared to the academic. So academic, if we have a strong, and if you are in the industry also, you will get a strong knowledge, and both will be helpful for you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.